How to add Facebook friends in Instagram. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open Instagram app on your phone. Tap on your profile and tap on 3 horizontal lines on the top right corner. From here, you want to go ahead and tap on settings. As you do that, you will enter to this page where you want to tap on the very first option, follow and invite friends. Now here you want to tap on follow contacts. Now you have to make sure that you have logged in to your Facebook account on this device, and also you have linked to it. For that, you need to go back and tap on Account Center. Now tap on Add Facebook Account. As you do that, the Facebook account that you have entered will be shown. You just want to go ahead and tap on it and link to it. As you link with your Facebook account, you will be able to add Facebook friends to your Instagram. But in some case, you will not be able to add your Facebook friend to Instagram. That is because your Facebook friend do not have Instagram account. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.